Babe, guess what song is playing right now?
I know, I heard it in the background. It was like a dream, but I'm sleeping for real. Leave me alone.
Good morning.
No. I can't say anything. Like, I was so sure that I wanted to kiss you, but I thought I didn't know if it was real life or a dream.
You were snoring.
I know, I felt it afterwards. With the bright light in my eye.
So, you're leaving tomorrow, baby.
I know. And because of this video out of my face. Is it a video?
Mm-hmm.
It's not okay. This is a really good thing. So, let's see, I'm leaving today. I don't get to see you like ever again, ever.
Don't you say ever. It's not ever. It's just for a little while.
So it's just for a little while. Okay, so for a little while I won't see you. I'm gonna miss you so much.
This is me, your baby. Frankie is my baby. This light is bright.
What were you doing the whole time? Were you like up with doing for your underwear?
Yeah.
So sad.
Okay. So, let me tell you guys. I'm leaving the 25th. Frankie's leaving tomorrow, right? We're not going to see each other for a good few months.
Unfortunately. I guess she's sad every time she said it.
What you said? But we're going to be together in the future. We know we are.
Mark her words. Remember that iPhone before.
I'm serious. And then we're going to make the world jealous. Little pinkies and little mamas. None of your own bad. And breaking girls' hearts. And breaking guys' hearts.
Little girl's gonna be locked in her room, grounded until she's 16 years old. No, 17.
No, she's not. Because she's gonna be a good girl. She's gonna be like me. So I'm gonna let her be free and give her freedom. But the point is that this is for the future guys that are in the play. You guys aren't gonna take his place. Our song is really playing in the background. It's crazy, right? I don't know if it's a dream or not.
I really did. It was like so mind-boggling.
This light is really bright.
It is very bright. I can't open my eyes to it.
But the point is that
Don't even try anything funny because I'm going to go over there.
and he's gonna take me from you.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have me for
I know,
long.
you know what? Yeah. She's gonna play with her hair because she does to everybody. She even did it to me for a little bit because I was her projector.
But then things changed and now he's my baby.
Yeah. She's my baby, so I'm sorry, man. You can enjoy her while you
And
have
I'm
her.
sorry, girls, but he's not gonna want you. He's only gonna want you for sex. So good luck with that. Right?
What? No, I'm not good. What do you think? Be a good guy.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video so we can go to sleep. I'm really gonna end it. Bye. I'm sorry. Alright, bye.